Hi, my name is Bipin Deshpande, and I'm here to tell you how my invention will help your bread toasters make better toast. Why can't toasters give evenly browned toast? Here's why. Heat moves up and out of the toaster, causing a temperature differential between the base and top of the toasting chamber, resulting in unevenly browned toast. The heat escapes because of the gap between the heating element frame and the bread holder frame which holds the bread slice. I received patent number 9888810 for my idea of inserting horizontal baffles between the heating element frame and bread holder frame, thereby preventing the heat from escaping, resulting in better toast. But in some toasters, when the bread carriage is lowered, heat still escapes from the additional gap created between the heating panel and the bread holder frame. Overlapping horizontal baffles solves this problem, as the combined width of the overlapping baffles covers the additional gap created when the bread carriage is lowered. But when the length of the bread slice is smaller than the length of the toasting chamber, heat can still escape along the vertical sides of the bread slice. This problem is solved by placing manually adjustable sliding vertical partitions between the horizontal baffles to prevent heat escape from the side of the bread slice, as the heating zone length can now be matched to the length of the bread slice. The sliding vertical partitions are adjusted after inserting the bread slice and before the bread slice carriage is lowered, making it safe and easy for the user. But what about ambient air entering the toaster from the vertical slits at the sides? Two overlapping vertical flaps are placed in a manner that they cover the vertical slit and do not interfere with the movement of the carriage arm. The vertical flaps pivot to a side momentarily when the bread slice carriage is lowered or when it pops up, covering the vertical slit and preventing ambient air from entering the toaster chamber. To summarize, horizontal baffles, overlapping horizontal baffles, and sliding vertical partitions prevent hot air from escaping upwards, while vertical flaps prevent ambient air from entering the toaster from the side, resulting in evenly browned toast. In case you're interested in licensing the Better Toast technology, do get in touch. Thank you.